Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on theory of computation on topic finite automata. In the question we are given a state diagram of a finite automata and asked which language is accepted by this finite automata. Let us assume that we give input of 3 consecutive zeros to this finite automata. So from the initial state q0, this finite automata will move to state q1 on the first zero, then to state q3 on second zero, and finally to state q5 on the third zero. The state q5 is an accepting state, so this finite automata accepts string of 3 consecutive zeros. Consider another input of 3 consecutive ones. In this case, the finite automata will move from initial state q0 to state q2 on the first one, then to state q4 on the second one, and finally to state q5 for the third one. Again, q5 is an accepting state, so this finite automata also accepts strings of 3 consecutive ones. To confirm our finding, let us assume one more input, where the input is 001 110. Here, from the initial state q0, the finite automata will move to state q1 and then q3 for the first 2 zeros. Then from q3 it will move to state q2 for the first one. Then for the second one it will move to state q4, and for the third one it will move to state q5. Now for the last zero it will remain on state q5, which is again an accepting state. So no matter where the 3 consecutive one occurs, the finite automata still accept the string as long as there are 3 consecutive zeros or 3 consecutive ones. So the correct answer to this question would be option D, that is strings having consecutive 3 zeros or 3 ones. Thank you.